Hey guys, this is Chess from Chess HD, and today we're going to do a Shaggy and Scooby-Doo contest. So, Daddy's going to be a Scooby-Doo, I'm going to be Shaggy. Okay, I'm just going to be a Scooby-Doo and Shaggy. So, I'm just going to be Shaggy. Okay. In the comments down below if I'm going to be good at this. Pull my finger. Uh-oh, too late.